guys, welcome back to Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally, an art teacher who runs her own small teaching business, and yeah, I've done a really super duper video today on shibori tie-dyeing t-shirts. So I've got 4 different techniques for you to have a look at, and yeah, there's some really good ones. So shall we get into it? Let's do it. So today I am going to do shibori techniques on my t-shirts. I've bought some extra large, and just because I wanted to use a bigger space, and they are damp. You're going to need elastic bands, you're going to need 2 of these wooden blocks and some pegs, and that will be all for now. What I'm going to do now is, for our first one, the accordion fold flag fold. You fold it in half, make sure these are lined up as best as possible. And you are going to fold this back, just about halfway on there. And then we're going to fold that one back as well. All lined up. And make sure that the sleeve is also in that panel as well. Like so. And that's half of it. And next I'm going to pinch the fabric and pull that over the top. So I had my 3 folds, and now I've got all of them lined up like so. I've got the sleeve left to do there, so I'm just going to turn it over carefully. Make sure again it's all lined up. So now I'm going to get the bottom of my t-shirt, get the hem and fold it over to make a triangle, and then tucking it under, folding it over, tucking it under, and then I am going to get my elastic bands and make sure that's all held together. I'm going to make sure that these are really tight. The second one, I never seem to get bored of. This is the crumple technique. So literally, you're just going to start getting your damp t-shirt all crumpled up like so. I just really like the effect of this one. So for my third one, I folded the t-shirt in half, and I'm doing an accordion fold again. A load of pegs, and I am going to, the pegs dotted around bulldog clip type things, which actually I'm going to do down near the bottom. Just spread those out. For the last one, I'm going to fold the sleeves in as I've done. This one is going to be the block resist, so we're going to use some wooden blocks. So we're going to fold it in half. Just make sure my sleeves are nice and flat in there again. I'm going to fold it in half again. Fold it in half this way, and once again this way. To put my wooden blocks this way, and I'm going to put one directly behind that as well. You can try and match those up like so. And I'm going to put elastic bands . Okay, so next what I want to do is I've just put this, and I'm just going to put the die on the side of the flag folded piece, just to allow the die to run down back into the bowl. I'm just drenching all of that underneath. There we go. And then I'm just going to do this side. That's that one. And then we are going to dunk the other three. 1, 2, 3. And what I'll do is I'll just go and get a jug and just pour the dye over the top of it and leave that to sit for 5 minutes. Guys, so these are the 4 that I did. The first one, I love it, that has been done with the Accordion Fold, flag fold. The second one was the Crumple technique. Third one was the diamond block, the wooden block, went really nicely. And then the last one was the pegs. So yeah, I hope you like them. I absolutely love them. Well, hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. I have done quite a bit of this shibori and tie-dyeing before in some projects and earlier in schools, and it's great fun actually. If you fancy giving it a go, then get yourself some t-shirts. I'm probably going to start getting some long sleeve t-shirts shortly and do some more shibori videos, because they're just really good fun to do. So let me know in the comments which was your favourite t-shirt. Mine, my preference, the flag fold one, the first one. I thought that went really well, so I'll definitely be wearing that one. So if you haven't subscribed already and you're new to me, I'm new to you, then it'd be great if you could subscribe and hit the notification button so you can see when my videos come out. I post every Tuesday 5:30 and every Saturday at 9 AM. So follow me and subscribe and I will keep you posted with lots of videos. All right then, I hope you all have a great week and see you with my next video, which will be, all right then, take care, bye. Just jumping on here in my nice new Shibori dyed t-shirt. Yeah, just to say that it'd be super if you could give me some ideas for videos. I have got tons of ideas myself, but if there are ones that you specifically enjoy or want to see more of, then it'd be great if you could just put that in the comments. Other than that, I'm going to go in with the shibori. I'm going to continue on that project at the back over there, the chocolate project, where I've been showing you some different textile techniques, and I've also been doing some drawing as well with that project. I've got some other ideas to go into various different types of clothes shops and things like that I could do some videos of. But if you like the charity shop haul one lately, that video, then let me know and I can do more of those. In fact, I really enjoyed those ones anyway. So I can go to different areas in Manchester and you can come shopping with me. Okay then, take care.